Hi, welcome to Opera Performance YouTube channel. Uh, Today, I will show you Ford GT this car built 2008 to 2002. I spent about 1,000 hours for built roll cages. This car's roll cages is integrated roll cages because this car is a street car. That's why normally don't use a helmet. That's why if roll cage is dangerous, the head need a head clearance. I made a roof interior and A-pillar cover. Then inside the roll cages. This is a corner gusset. I didn't use putty, just paint. I weld here this edge, then polish. Then main hoop inside the roof cover. This car is chassis is aluminum. That's why I made roller cages bracket, corner gusset and the bracket. Then I use bond and glue. Bond is epoxy bond. It's a structural bond and high strength stainless steel rivet. And this corner gusset is not straight. Little curve both sides. The curve inside too. It's difficult to make this corner gusset. And front side. Very compact roll cage bracket. Then I made a large bonding surface. This length. The front corner gusset too not use bond, I mean putty. This cone edge weld, then polish. Inside dashboard have a dashboard bar. Then roof have a crossbar. I used rotisserie. It's like a barbecue. Then chassis upside down. I built this roll cages. Almost all parts reassemble. Then I put the rotisserie. Then turn the upside down. This is a rear bar. Then I made scuff plate. This is a stainless steel. Then this logo make sandblast. Looks good. And I made the tower bar. This one. Normal, don't have it. This is OEM bar. I did put in the lesson. It's for sound deadening. I made this rear low arm bar. I want rigid. This bracket point is rear lower arm pivot. Then access to the lower arm bar. I made this bracket. Then here, that's bracket. The tightened bolt. Here is lower arm front side pivot. That's cool car.